The options people are now given with cloud storage and how we can better enable that, make it more palatable, if you will. Two of my favorite pieces, where one, the async writes, where there's no latency for that end user.
Yep.
If that link gets saturated. Two, with a lot of people talking about cloud storage, to them it's new, it's a buzzword, and they're kind of nervous about it. They want to dip their toe in.
Yep.
People still want to be able to see and touch and be able to walk into the data center and know, this is my SharePoint, this is my stuff.
Right.
We can now let people dip their toes in cloud,
Yeah.
and they can have some of their data go
list.
up there, just do one content type at a time, or one site, or one list, or just records.
Right.
And they know that they can see how that goes, and if it doesn't work out, we have capabilities for them to pull that back in
Yep.
with a couple of clicks of a button.
Right.
And there's no risk to them.
Yeah, we've got the endpoint-to-endpoint migration now, so you don't have to re-internalize the content and then re-externalize it.
Absolutely.
You can just say, I want it off of, I want to move the stuff that's on this endpoint to this endpoint, click, and it keeps SQL out of that transaction, so it's pretty snappy.
And there's no risk to them, because it's, one, if they were concerned about security, we can encrypt it from web front end all the way to at rest, as you said before.
Yep.
And the other piece is, if they're concerned about cost, people with cloud platforms, you're charged for bandwidth and you're charged for storage.
Yep.
With compression, we help save you money on both ends of that.
Yep.
So the amount of work we've done to make the cloud more palatable, it's a great way for people to try it out.
Not to mention the fact that we support 8 different cloud platforms.
And you can choose and pick and choose which ones you want, or try multiple.
Yeah.
You can have endpoints for one
Azure,
and one for another, and
yeah.
see which one you like better.
Absolutely.